Alright guys, we have another unboxing video. So, today we have a package from UtahAlarms. So, let's go ahead and just see what's inside it. Alright, and inside of it we have a... wants to open for me. Here we go. A System Sensor Spectral Alert Classic. Alright, the model number is P241575. So yeah, it's the one you put the flathead, and it is 1575 candela. So yeah, and that's the back of it. It's 4-wire. So we have our positive, our negative. These are jumpers. So yeah, Spectral Alert Classic. Awesome, thank you. So yeah, alright guys, so that's about it. We'll be in the next system test, hopefully.